Okay, so we have here one of the feature of Bitget exchange is the vote to list. Okay, so what is vote to list? A vote to list is a product, a chance to vote coins into listing on Bitget. When a project meets the vote count, all users who participated can claim from the reward pool. If the number of votes fail to meet the requirement, Bitget cancels the project listing and unlocks any participating users' stake tokens. Okay, so we have here for the past projects. Now, if you have voted this project, for example, AFK DAO, you will receive a portion as a reward, no, from the pool. We have this prize pool here. So this is one of the very unique feature of Bitget exchange. So don't forget to log in to create your account if you don't have any account and start voting now. Okay, how do you participate in Bitget's vote to list? Okay, paano ba? All you have to do is to log in your Bitget account on www.bitget.com, and then if you don't have any account, okay, you can directly create a new account to participate and also pass the KYC verification. Okay, for example, you already created your account, just click near asset here and then just click security, and you will have the steps there in order for you to pass the KYC. Okay, and then step 2, ensure that more than 100 BGBs is available in your account. So ano ba yung BGBs? That is the token, no, in the exchange. Okay, so all you have to do is to go to spot, no, click mo yung spot and then try to search BGB token, no. So we have here, click mo lang, and pagkatapos you can start buying, no. Remember, be sure na meron kang more than 100 BGBs available in your account para makapag-vote ka. Okay? Step 3, punta ka sa homepage. Okay, punta ka sa homepage. Okay, ito yung homepage niya. And pagkatapos, click more. And then, on the drop down, okay, select vote to list. Andito. And pagkatapos, okay, select mo yung current project, no, for voting if merong available. Pagkatapos, step 4, click vote, no, and lock in your BGB to vote, no. I mean, your BGB balance for the vote count, no. Kailangan meron kang balance talaga for BGB. Remember, yung BGB is very cheap, no, as of now. So you can buy kahit ilan yung gusto mo. Okay? And then your BGB token will be unlocked automatically after the voting. Right after that, no, pag makuha na yung required voting ng isang coin, no, kapag submit ka ng vote tapos na list sa Bitget account, I mean the Bitget exchange, okay, you will have your reward. Okay, very easy, and you can have a passive income. Just vote, no, click vote and just earn tokens, no, on the Bitget exchange. Okay, good news everyone sa mga mahilig sa voting, no. Meron sinabi dito sa Bitget exchange, meron silang extra airdrop as a surprise to the top 2,000 voters of last session. Okay, so once hindi ka pa nakapag-vote ngayon, wala ka pang account sa Bitget, all you have to do is to create an account and pagkatapos just log in and do the KYC. Okay, and then click more and go to vote to list, and then if merong available dito or available for voting, just click vote and be sure to have your BGB token ready, no, para makapag-avail ka. And for the top 2,000, you will receive an extra airdrop. Okay?